Just spend part of the afternoon and into the evening on a weather strip on the left-hand side door. And this is what we have so far. I wanted to make sure I had the contour of the weather strip going in the right direction and have it all taped up. And we will see. So this is going to be the official door close, and we'll see what happens. All right, here we go. All right, needs a little bit harder. There we go. It closes with a new weather stripping. Now, obviously, it is not adhered, but let's see what we're looking at here. Let's try it again. Okay, this is the Corvette rubber weather strip, which I mentioned in another video, and I'll tell you, it seems to be working out really well. I'll have to post that up also, but again, it's time consuming. I have to just use the adhesive a little bit at a time. I'm going to take my time with this, but compared to what some other people have gone through on their C3s with the doors not closing with the weather stripping, I'm very happy with this, because with the weather strip installed, it closes real nice. All right, catch you later.